In this video, you will learn how to familiarize yourself with PeachWorlds Editor UI. So let's dive in and see how it works. At the top, we have our little toolbar, just right here. On the far left of this toolbar, we have a little PeachWorlds icon that will open a little menu to allow you to come back to the dashboard and change a few settings there. Next to it, we have our project name. So you can easily change it just like so. I will just name it tutorial. Next, in the middle, we have the switch between three different sections, which is 3D, Animate, and UI. And essentially, these are your three different editing modes where you basically have your 3D scene. Here, you control all of the animations of the scene. And then lastly, the UI allows you to create your 2D interface. Further right, we have a little camera icon, which allows you to switch between little preview window for your active camera in the scene. Next, we have a preview toggle, which allows you to preview your scene, just like so. And lastly, a publish button, which allows you to publish your site when you're ready. Let's have a look on the left, where we have our assets panel, where you can find all of the 3D assets of your scene, like cameras, lights, 3D objects like a plane, and your own imported 3D models. Further to the left on the top, you have this little box icon, which if clicked, opens Add Elements panel. And if you navigate to Basic, from here you can import your 3D assets or choose to add simple 3D shapes into your scene, as well as adding lights, cameras, and other elements. You can also add various elements into your scene by clicking this assets icon here, which will open your assets panel. But this panel belongs to the whole project, so everything that you upload into your project will be accessible from here. If you click a drop down here, you have images, videos, 3D, sound, vector, all of the different file types that you import into your project. Now on the right-hand side, we have our properties panel, where you can adjust various global scene properties and settings, but also it will change depending on your selection. So if I will click on the plane object right here, it will show me all the parameters and properties of this specific object. On the same time, if I'll switch to the light, it will show me all of the properties and parameters of this specific light. If you wish to go back to the global scene parameters, you can always click anywhere in the empty space of your 3D scene or anywhere in the top toolbar.